Great Scott! I think we finally got it. With the loss of Google Photos and the loss of our micro SD cards, I think we finally have a solution for our photo and video backup. Let's get started. Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so yes, I think I have found a solution. Now, SanDisk has sponsored this video and has sent us the Ixpand wireless charger with auto backup, and is also going to do a giveaway at the end of this video. So let's get started. This is becoming a real big issue because Google is taking away our unlimited auto backup for cloud storage in Google Photos. And then Samsung has said, hey, we're taking away your micro SD cards. So where are all our photos and videos going? We have 4K, we have 8K, we have motion photos, all these things that take more and more storage. So what's gonna happen? Well, SanDisk has come up with a real clever way. First of all, I'm a big fan of wireless charging to begin with. Everyone that knows me knows I'm such a big fan of wireless charging, overnight charging. It's so simple and easy. I hate when a phone doesn't have it because it's just an added step that I have to do instead of just dropping it and charging it. So with this, it actually takes that to another level because not only does it have 10-watt fast wireless charging, but this actually is a storage unit. You can get it in 64, 128, or 256 gig size. And really what it does is when you drop it down, you set it up with the app. The app is pretty easy to set up. You pair it to your Wi-Fi connection and allow it to connect via Bluetooth if you want auto backup. And basically what it's gonna do is when you drop it down and you're charging at the end of the night, or when you get home, if you have it in the living room, you are ready to go. It is auto backing up all of your photos and videos. It actually does it at a surprising quick rate too. Another thing is I also like that I see that we're also getting software updates because I think this is always important. You know, more features can come along and you know SanDisk is going to support this if they're already doing updates. So that being said, it just is a really great solution. Not only that, but I like that I can not only use this, but say my family can use this. I did get the 256 gigs of storage, so I would feel more comfortable with this size having, you know, me and my wife save all our photos and videos. And guess what? Now we have a collection, especially of our kids right then and there that we can always see. You can even connect this to a computer if you want to offload it. And then again, just being able to really kind of have a storage solution that you don't have to worry about. And even when it fills up, you can put it to a computer is a really great ability. I love this kind of sense. And it's that convenient. You could always use flash drives, which they do sell as well. But it really comes to the fact of convenience. I don't always have a flash drive with me. I don't always have my computer with me, but the fact is I'm going to charge my phone every night. So dropping it down on a wireless charger, charging it up, and having an auto backup is a really just great and simple solution. Now, it's pretty big, so it's about the size of my S21 Ultra. And when you put another phone in there like the Pixel 5, it looks like a bigger charger. But that's, again, so it can fit all phone shapes and sizes. And I really will say that it has a nice clean aesthetic to it, so I think a lot of people will like it. I am all black on black on black, so I wish they will come up with the black one later on, but who knows if that could ever happen. Maybe if this one catches on pretty well, I think this would be a good replacement because, again, with Google Photos going away for their unlimited backup, and a lot of people don't always either trust the cloud or they don't want to have the subscription-based payment. Just this is one thing you pay for, you own it, and then you have it. So it's a really great solution for that, and I think you guys will enjoy it. So why not have a chance to also win one? There is a giveaway down below. Make sure to check it out. It's going to be for 2 weeks, and you can enter to win, and hopefully one of you guys will win and tag me when you do. This is going to be a really cool thing that SanDisk did, and I am really happy for one of you guys to get this because I know a lot of us are worried about this, that we need some place to back up our photos and videos, and I think this is a really great way, one that I'm going to use every day because why not? It just makes sense. I wirelessly charge my phone anyway. Well, now I have my photos and videos backed up as well, unless my wife really does move it to her side of the bed. I guess we'll have to wait and see. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.